Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cassie J. I am on a debt-free journey. I am trying to get my life together. I am doing savings challenges monthly so that I can figure out what I'm doing with my life. And I do plan on doing better with showing y'all my income, especially with me stuffing everything. I haven't really been, sorry, I had to put my lotion. I haven't really been doing too much for I do my stuffings, but I don't really show y'all everything. And so today I'm actually going to be doing an update because there's some stuff that I just need to show you, that need to let you know what, or show you what I was doing. So I did use this budget binder, which this budget binder is with Royal Budgets. The link is down below if you would like to purchase one. I actually use this as my side hustle binder, which is also going to have a link down below. But for some reason, I grabbed this. And so I have to transfer everything in here because I want to make sure everything is in one spot, especially for my side hustles. And then this one, I kind of just do for my checks, my 9-to-5 job or whatever. And so let's do that. All right, so let's, I don't know if you can see the calculator, but let's go ahead and start. The only binder that I'm targeting is going to be this binder right here, which is my side hustle binder. It's more like for just my side hustle. Like, I do take money from my side hustle and use it for personal use and things of that nature. But if I'm putting it back into my side hustle, it goes here. Alright, so for the first one is going to be SNC Creates. We're going to do a beginning balance. I actually have not been spending any money out of this. For my side hustles, I've been using my personal money for it. I feel like I need to move the money out of here, but I just haven't been doing it. So I have leftover money in here. So 50, 70, 90, 110 is in here. So beginning balance is 110, and then we're going to be adding a 50. And so it's going to be bringing it up to, so nothing's been spent, I guess, no. And then it's going to bring it to 160. And I did check to make sure that the amounts were correct, and I was actually surprised with myself because, y'all, I don't be paying attention to stuff. Like, I have it real bad. Now that I have it real bad, I'm a homebody, so I don't really go out and spend money. I'm not that big of a spender, and I used to like be all up in Hobby Lobby, but now I have so much stuff that I've accumulated that I'm just like, I want to use everything that I have at home. So for Etsy taxes, we're going to be adding 20. It has 100, 200, 300, 400, 20, 40, 60, 70, 84, 80. Really? 1, 2, 3, 4, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80. So now we're going to be making it a even $500. So that's awesome. Alright, so for YouTube, okay, I've gotten paid with YouTube twice. The money I didn't put it in here. I don't know. I was looking at a couple of things, and I want to say that I put this money towards a savings account because I have no idea where this money went, or maybe I spent it. But I did get like 167 the first time, and then the second time I got 110, 111, something like that. So because of that, I went ahead and decided to put $20 in here. Couldn't tell you what I did with that money, but it's gone. Okay, it's not where I can grasp it. If I can, maybe I already touched it. I wouldn't know. All right, and so I'm gonna put 0 first. YouTube taxes, I'm gonna add 30, and it has 20 in here. So, and I don't know if I'm just like, I don't know. I don't know. I have no idea. I'm just gonna put money in here, and if I don't have to pay taxes, then That's awesome, so I can have it back. All right, so mobile, I'm putting 150 in it, and it has 150, 250, 60. So 260 in here, and I'm adding so YouTube, I don't know why I just got so confused. So YouTube has 20. YouTube taxes has 50. So there was 20 in there. Woo. Y'all, that almost took me out. All the way out. Lay me out, okay? Fana. Okay, and then so mobile has 260. 260, adding 150, and it's 100, 200, 53, 54, 10. So 410. Really, now I want to do this? Yeah. You know what's on my mind right now is I would really like to go on a vacation. We have one that is coming up, and it's at the end of the month, but we're at the beginning of the month. And so I have been telling myself that I would really like to be able to just go on a solo date. I have been really watching vloggers lately, and they do they just go out to eat, go get a massage, go whatever, and enjoy themselves. And so my thing is the way I raise my kids is that I'm always going to be fair to them, and if I take one out to eat, I'm gonna take the other. Like, for instance, last night or the night before, it was me and my middle baby together. My son was at my mom's house and my oldest was at work. And we went to Popeyes together. It was just me and her. And, the other one, the other two, they were somewhere that they could have ate. But because I didn't take them out to eat, whenever I picked her up from work and I picked him up, I took them to go get something to eat at night before we went home. And then, me and my middle baby, we didn't get anything. We just kind of got something to drink. But we weren't hungry, so it was like, I gotta be fair. So whenever I go out and have a mommy time to myself, which is something that I need to work on, I don't do solo dates. And so lately I have been really, really thinking about starting a vlog channel where I am trying to be focused on me. And I know that that's crazy, that it's something that people are like, well, you need to do it, whatever, you shouldn't be having to record it in order to do so. Well, I kind of like recording. I kind of like being able to show content and be able to socialize with other people, but at the same time I kind of wanted it to be fitness, which would be part of me trying to find myself. I used to love fitness, and I just that's where my mind is at right now. So I'm just like, should I start, vlogging and, working out and showing my workouts and, showing me traveling and, just doing my solo dates and, just things that is helping me find myself, especially trying to get out of a toxic relationship. And it's like 7 years in, I'm finally breaking free, and it's like I need to find out who I am or who I was or who I'm about to be. And so it's just like, that's where my mind is right now. So if I'm miscombobulated, I'm so sorry. All right, so mobile taxes, we stuffed this one. Yeah. Sorry, I was like, did we? Mobile taxes. Okay, so 100, 200, 300, 400, 20, and 30. So 430 for mobile taxes. And y'all, I have the hiccup. So if y'all hear me like can't breathe over here, it's because I'm trying to get this hiccup out or something. I have no idea. So 230. So 20 and 30 is going to be added onto here. And I was watching a live the other night, and the YouTuber has a lot of YouTuber subscribers, and she was actually saying that she was thinking about starting another channel, you know, just to show her life. But she was like, I kind of just want to enjoy myself and just keep one channel. And I'm just like, well, you can't. I'm not at the point to where I have a lot of subscribers. Like right now I'm barely like, you know, hitting 1,000. So I'm like, I need to build this channel, and this channel is all about money. It's not about me trying to find myself or taking you on vlogs. So I feel like I need to have that other one if I do want to start vlogging. But whenever she says she needs to focus on herself, it just made me think like, I need to do that too, because honey, okay. All right, so mobile taxes had 430, and I added 230. So 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 20, 40, 50, 60. So 660. So mobile taxes actually covers everything that I've been doing for taxes, like the notary, DoorDash, Uber, my massage whenever I go, because I can write it off. But I'm at the point where I feel like I'm tired of being a 9-to-5 job. I kind of want to like be out and about. So I don't know where I'm at with this, like, you know, in my life right now, but I know for a fact I'm tired of like always sitting down and being so idle. I want to like move. And then me getting older, it's like I'm 35, so me trying to like get my life together is which is another reason why I'm scared to do another vlog, because like I'm older. Nobody cares about the older me, and I don't do my hair, I don't do makeup, I'm not like this dress up girl or whatever, you know, so I'm not like all about aesthetics and stuff. So it's kind of different. I know it's very intimidating to try and be that girl or whatever it is. I don't know. Anyway, market has 50, we're adding 10, so there's gonna have 60 in here. Invest has 50, and I'm lying. Invest has 100, and we're adding 10. So it has 110 now. And again, these envelopes are in the shop, but this writing is going to be here, and it's actually a lot smaller, so you can see the envelope. And this one for savings is getting 100 today, and it has 1, 2, 3, 54, and then here's 100, so 5. So it has 500 now. Okay. All right. Alright, so again, don't forget that me and Celine are doing giveaways every week this week. We are alternating. So make sure that you check her out, and make sure you check me out all week. The giveaway clip for this week is going to be in the front. I actually haven't recorded it yet. I'm about to record it, so I can't tell y'all what it is, but I'm gonna leave the giveaway information down in the description down below. So thank y'all so much if y'all are still here. I am going to go ahead and record the giveaway video, because there are things that we are trying to give out. Okay, all right guys, y'all stay blessed, stay beautiful, and stay safe. Bye guys.